Hello, I'm Wayde Looker, Golden Harvest Agronomist, and today we're coming at you with another Golden Harvest Agronomy Minute. Today I'm in a cornfield that's about the V5 growth stage. It's about V4 to V5 across most of the field, and so this is a perfect time for an early season fungicide application. Now, we have had a really dry stretch. However, recently this field in particular got about 2 inches of rain, and so the soil is quite moist. That would prevent a standard ground rig from being able to come in here and get our V5 fungicide applied. Therefore, we have actually hired a drone to come in and spray our corn with that V5 fungicide. In addition to the plant health benefits that we often see from a V5 fungicide application, this particular field is getting a dose of herbicide as well. Because of the dry weather, the pre-emerge residual herbicide that we sprayed this field with never got incorporated into the soil, never got activated by rainfall, and therefore we're already getting some weed escapes. Therefore, we were able to tank mix both a fungicide and a herbicide program to take care of the weeds and the plant health of the corn behind me. We're going to show you some footage of the drone. It puts on about 2 gallons per acre, and it can hold about 10 gallons in its reservoir. If you have further questions about herbicides, early season fungicide, or drone application, please reach out to your local Golden Harvest seed advisor, sales rep, or agronomist for more information. Thank you.